Hey art friends, today we're drawing a really funny summer gnome. This is what my drawing looks like at the very end. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. I'm using my markers to draw and color with, and also I'm using marker paper to draw on. You can use whatever you have. You don't have to use the same supplies. But remember, the most important thing is to have fun and practice. Don't worry about making your drawing look exactly like mine. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start by drawing our gnome's nose. In the middle of our paper, we're gonna draw a big oval for a really big nose. Next, let's draw his hat. We're gonna draw it over his eyes and going right above his nose. So we're gonna draw a little curve coming out. We want it to match on both sides. And then we're gonna draw the hat going up and coming to a point, but then we can also draw it bending over. So let's draw almost to the top of our paper and then back down. And then over here, we're gonna draw a diagonal line coming up also, but we won't connect. We'll stop there, maybe a little more. And then we're gonna draw it folded over like that. Okay, now we're ready to draw his mustache. Let's draw an S curve. We're gonna draw it curving down and then back up. And we can do the same over here to match. And now we could draw the bottom of the mustache. We'll start from the middle of the nose, and we're gonna draw a big U shape that comes to a point on the outside. We can do the same over here on this side. Okay, next for his beard. Let's draw it coming down on both sides. And we could also draw a little zigzag for his hair, his beard hair. And then we'll come to the middle. You could add more zigzags if you want, but let's just add one and then connect it to the middle. All right, now on the side, we need to draw his ears. Let's draw a diagonal line coming up really high. Then we could draw the rest of his ear curving from a point down to the side of his head. And we can do the same to match. All right, now let's draw his body. And we're gonna draw him with just a swimsuit on. So let's draw his armpits right here and his body coming down. So we're not gonna connect it all the way. And we want to leave a little space so that his arms can come out from his shoulder and then curve back into his body. And then down here, let's draw the top of his swimsuit coming across. We could also give him a little belly button. Next, let's draw the rest of his shorts coming down further on both sides. And then right here, we're going to draw a little upside down letter V. That's for in between his legs. Then we can draw the bottom of his shorts going across on each side. All right, now for his legs, let's draw them kind of small. We'll draw two short lines coming out of the bottom of his shorts. And then the inside line, let's extend it down further for his heel. And then on the outside, we can add his toes. We'll just draw a curve to keep his toes really simple. And now we can draw the bottom of his feet connecting from the front to the back. And then also let's add sandals. Got to give him his pool sandals. So we're going to draw the bottom of his sandals first. And then we can draw the little strap that goes over his toes or his feet. We're going to draw two curves going across, curving down. Okay, next for his arms, we're gonna keep them really simple and just draw his shoulders coming out to the side and then curving back in. And then we can do the same over here. And then one last thing, we can add a little thumb on the inside of his hand. And we did it, we finished drawing our summer gnome, except we still need to color him. This part will fast forward, but you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings also. You can even add a background if you want. I hope you'll color your drawings too. You can pause the video to match my same coloring, but I also hope that you'll change your drawings. You could add different things. I added a beach ball, but you could add the entire beach and even some palm trees. Oh, and I also made it look like he's a little burnt. I really hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.